Hi guys! Joy morning! Today is Saturday, 25th of July. Today guys, yung aming flight pa Pinas. Get ready with me. And then mag-apply tayong toner guys. This is from Snail White. Next naman guys is Dalba. Wala akong gaanong tulog guys. Yung flight namin mamaya is 9:45 pa naman sa Haneda Airport kami. And instead of getting a taxi, magpapasundo ako sa aking friend. So darating siya ng 5:30. Yung time ngayon is 4:48. Yun. So I'm getting ready na. Si Ken tulog pa. Maya-maya gigisingin ko na siya. And next guys, mag-a-apply na ako ng serum sa face ko from Snail White. Para moisturize talaga guys yung ating skin sa entire flight natin. Maaga guys yung sundo namin, 5:30, kasi may work pa yung friend ko later. Kaya yun, talagang maaga ako magpe-prepare. Next guys, mag-a-apply na ako ng day cream. This is also from Snail White. Next ko guys na i-apply is sunscreen. This is from Lux Organics. Mag-a-apply lang ako ng leave-in treatment sa aking hair. This is from Lux Organics. Apply lang ako guys ng powder sa aking face. Dalba ulit tayo. And then, for my scent of the day, ito dadalhin ko na to kasi paubos na. Perfume Dessert Violet. Dito na kami guys sa car, papunta